In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to open previous year question sets with solutions on GateCareer. First, open your browser and type gatecareer.com. In the header section, you will see different options. Click on Assignments. This will take you to the Assignments page where all GATE exam practice resources are available. Here you will find a list of engineering branches. From this list, you can select your own branch. For this example, I will choose Electrical Engineering. Once the Electrical Engineering page opens, you will see all the important topics required for the GATE exam. Each topic contains resources and practice sets. Now, let's open the Electrical Machines PYQ Set. This page contains all the previous year questions for this topic. When the page opens, you can see a list of questions. Each question is listed year by year for practice. To view the solution, simply click on the question. As soon as you click, the detailed solution will appear just below the question. In the same way, you can open any other topic, check all the previous year questions, and view their solutions instantly.